Okay, the stream should be up, I believe, I think. I hope so. Yeah. Oh, I have, wait, hold on. I have no idea if this is actually... I just realized I have no idea if this is going to save on my computer or not. uh... Okay, never mind. I can see that it is recording. Never mind. So everything is fine. Okay. So I guess we can just begin cooking. Though I did thought about making trello board. Mostly because I will also forget everything I'm doing anyway. So we can start with that actually. I don't think I have an account, so let's go quickly and create one. And maybe we don't want to have spam on our email. I would want that. Yes. Wait, no, we don't want that. No, hold on. New Trello account using Atlassian account. I have no idea what Atlassian is. Never mind, we have to do that. Okay. Like there's like 5 different sites for organization, so I guess we could say screw it. But whatever. Thank you. We can skip that. Can we skip the tutorial actually? Please? No? Okay. Okay. Now Trello is loading up, I guess. I do not remember that loading up this long. Oh, my internet is dead. Okay. That makes sense. We do not really care about that. Okay, the stream should go back now. Fine. Unfortunately, I do have problems with my internet, which unfortunately again is nothing I can like actually control. Can we just get rid of that, please? We can remove the color. Can we remove the action? Archive this list. No, we are archiving. Sure. Okay, so let's make this one orange, I guess. Let's make it must have to do. Just must have. And this one I could nice to have. And yeah, so I don't want to spend too much time on Trello board because it doesn't make really sense. But I do want to go and make chill mode. Visual indicators. And for now I think that's it. Okay. Oh no. I have doxed myself successfully. Damn. Anyway, yeah, let's start doing things. If I remember correctly, I was in the middle of something, and that something was adding the chill mode, which should be already in progress, I think, but this is not here. Okay, no, wait, I need to also clear this up as well. This technically still could be to do. This is halfway done. This is not done. This is not done. This is done, which is nice. Long term. Done. Setting for switching monitors not done. CS file instead, so not done technically. Oh, parsing one file type is already good enough, I do believe. And asking myself, nope. Also nope. Okay. So how do we start? I could actually close my window because I believe this is hearable. But yeah, anyway, we want to fix the problem because if I remember correctly, if we upgrade our character, this shouldn't be happening. This shouldn't be happening. Now, apparently I do have 2 viewers, so I guess hello to anyone who's watching and willing to stick around. I do wonder, did we, hold on, did we get 2 coins? 47. Shield estimated time. I don't understand why this is doubled. This shouldn't be doubled. The problem is I haven't worked on this for like 5 days, 4 days, and I already forgot everything that was going on. Okay, so we are gaining coins, so in a way this is working, I guess. And I had a genius idea on how to fix it, but I failed to do it. Okay, let's begin by going into estimated hit time. Exactly. Okay. Now we want to begin fixing our little abomination we have created. And the problem, if I remember correctly, was that I tried to do 2 things at once, when actually it was a very, very bad idea. With chill mode false. Yeah, that was a very bad idea. So we can actually just go and... yeah, we want to ignore that completely. And now this won't work. Which is fine, because... wait, why is it fine? Hold on, it's not fine. Oh well, one person didn't stick around. Unfortunate. Let's just continue. So we need to fix it. How do I fix that? We have distance from right edge, distance from left edge. Problem is that gaining 1 coin is crucial. Why isn't that working though? Where are we getting the get estimated time? Estimated border hit, estimated money earn. Okay, this is starting to feel like something. This isn't ready, which is pretty good. So on every timeout we want to connect and we want to start again. This technically could be simplified by just enabling the, not the auto start, but wait, hold on, one shot? No. Oh, actually, by default, everything is. Good luck. I'm doing good luck that I'm doing everything by code anyway. So this shouldn't be set like this. So this will automatically restart, which makes it very good. So technically we don't need that one. I mean, we need this. Not this one. This one. Okay. So we can continue. Okay. The problem is, speaking out loud, everything is pretty fun. Even if nobody's watching, I can just say that I don't care, and I can just have fun. And that sounds like a good plan, a good thing I can continue doing. Okay, we are gaining 1 coins still, which means, okay, every time we time out, we want to go into money earned, we want to emit that, and we want to add a coin. Does money earned do anything currently? Because money earn, we update UI, which makes sense, and we emit the signal, so that's pretty useless for now. But is anything interesting happening out here? No. Okay, 20 coin. Okay, so we don't really care about that. But we are emitting the particles. This will be changed into indicators once I will actually get into doing indicators, which is something I want to do, though not right now. Okay. We want to, every time, for the first time when we are loading up the scene, is this in the must-have setup? No. We can go into must-have, moving transparent window setup. Hopefully the keyboard won't be as loud via the microphone. I tried doing the noise gate, but I failed at doing that, unfortunately. The floor is also not needed, so we can collapse this one, and no, this is also not needed. Oh, here is something. Okay, so estimated money earn, we start by getting estimated hit time, which is something very useful. And now, every time we earn money, we just restart the timer, so that's pretty good. Actually, we can test, hold on. I need to kill you. We can test if we are where is the, what happened to my desktop pad? Okay, it was loading. Guess having OBS and Twitch and million other things doesn't really help with rendering. So this should restart. We should be fine. Okay, this is restarting. We are getting 1 coin. Everything is happy. Okay, and now we actually do not want anything to change our. Wait, no. Yeah, we do want to change the estimated money earn every time we update, and only update, like upgrade the character. Because when we are clicking the character, we just want to pause this and everything will be fine. Did we get the coins? Yes, so this is working fine. Well, actually, I can. Maybe someone will stick around for the stream whenever I will I need to be careful because I'm pretty sure I could very easy. Okay, maybe I can do this just to be safe. Oh god. And we can also game exports. Let's make a character running. So I don't know, maybe it looks more appealing to anyone watching this on stream, I guess. Though this doesn't really have this doesn't really have the idle timer yet, so I don't want to upgrade it. Okay, so every time we upgrade our character, and we are making upgrades in the process function, no, never mind, in the start tuning function. This is incredible, very bad code, very ugly code as well, but it is working. And now all we want to do is actually, let's just make new function for this. Get estimated hit time. Because currently, yeah, okay. We want to make a new function, get estimated, and now we want to get money hit or money earn. And actually we don't need any kind of parameter. Nope, we don't need that. And we can copy and paste pretty much, maybe not everything, but we want to do this. No, okay. Yeah, you need this one as well, sure. So we are getting window, and because we don't really care about replacement, we just don't care at all. We can total, I guess, total distance, edge make distance from left edge and distance from the right edge. This technically don't have to be made every single time, because the total distance will not ever change. And now that I think about it, we could just use the Windows Server position. No, we don't. Because then we will have problems whenever we. Okay, yeah, we don't want that. Never mind. So we want total distance, and now we have our var speed float. And actually, never mind, we can go with chill mode as well, because this is pretty important. No, never mind, it's not. We don't have to. If we want to have chill mode enabled, we can just ignore whatever we're doing. Yeah, we can just ignore, and we can just use get estimated hit time without chill mode. So this one is actually the total speed, and we should be fine. Yeah, okay. So var speed, which is a float, and if we are doing that, then we want to set speed. Actually, we can just do this here. Float speed is just equals to game manager max FPS times 2.1. 1.0. Never mind. What? Wait, what? I have no idea what happened here. This is what's supposed to happen. And now we can use var time, which is a float, and we're going to get total distance times speed. And now we want to go and play with the print. Actually, let's make it like this. so it can be visible pretty well. Var, not var, just print estimated money earn, estimated money main every, let's go with the time, string time, otherwise he will scream at me, every seconds. Good. And lastly we simply return the time. And this is looking pretty good, I hope. Now, the game manager has the chill mode enabled. Okay, so this one will probably stay in the game manager. And now, what do we want to do? Okay. We want to do a couple of things. First of all, we want to check if we are in the chill mode. Okay, the fact that I have this called is chilling is probably a bad idea, but I don't really care. I don't have to care. As long as I remember what this does. Can I actually do is idle, is sitting idle and not moving. Yeah. Okay, so I forgot what I wanted to do, and that is a problem. Yeah, it is a big problem. Never mind. I know what I want to do. I want to check. Hold on, I forgot what. Okay, I know. I want to check in the ready function, which is all right here. Connect metallink stat. That's fine. We don't care about that. This is good. This will always be true, no matter what. However, what is which is important. Gamer chill mode, this is fine. Aren't we starting money arm? Haha, I know. Okay. This is pretty stupid that I have this. This doesn't have to be here at all. This can be here as well. So start for the first time, and in here we want to check what mode are we in. So if game manager chill, thanks for that, chill mode. So if we are in the chill mode, we want to use something differently. We want to go into timers, estimated money earn timer, and we want to start it with a wait time of get estimated money earn. Okay, technically the name of the function is stupid because whatever. And if we aren't in the chill mode, we can just okay, I guess I could do if chill mode set timer based on total monitor width or screen width technically. Monitor can be good. Monitor width times max FPS. If not in chill mode, use the same logic as border hit. Okay, and the last thing we need to do in order to make it work, I guess, is to check in the start chilling. Whenever we are chilling, hold on, because this is also very ugly code. Huh. Buying should go to separate function. I do agree with that, past Loiskyy. I do agree with that. I also agree with that. Also, I'm stupid. This should go into here. Direction. Oh, my internet is dead. Okay, so oh, also this is in Polish. Technically, I should change this to English, but I don't think I care. Anyway, we wanted to do. Where is? Oh, here is chilling. Here, we want to do this. And oh, did my stream died? Wait a second. Did my stream like died at all? Never mind. It's saying the session is less than a minute ago, which shouldn't be true. Okay, I want to check quickly. Let's go into Twitch.tv. Oh, oh wait, somebody's typing in the chat. What? Hello there. Oh, you're a bot. Let me drop my Discord. No. I mean, it's nice for you, Mr. Bot, to say that I. Wait, what was that? My aim and energy are amazing, and your mix of skill and personality is rare, so I'm giving a follow. Great. Cool. I am totally playing a shooter game. You shouldn't probably check. You should probably check for the type of stream before you release your bot. But that was a nice try. That was a nice try indeed. Nice one. The problem is I forgot what I wanted to do because of this. But that was pretty fun to experience. And that makes sense why I had like 2 viewers for 5 seconds. And then it went back to 1 viewer. Nice. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Also I know what I wanted to check. Twitch TV. And did my stream died? Like, do I have a second stream actually on? Log in. Can we actually search for myself? Is it possible? Because I'm not logged in on this browser. I do want to check that. Though technically my recording and OBS says that I have only 30 minutes of streaming, so this shouldn't happen, I guess. It would be pretty fun if, because of that, I would also break my internet and therefore screw everything up. But what I do want to check is the length of the stream, but first the Twitch needs to... I do not wish to hear myself. Oh my god, look, this will be an infinite loophole in a moment. But I don't, unfortunately, I can't go back to the stream. Okay, never mind. If my stream restarted, we can just say that I didn't care. Whatever. Anyway, I wanted to pause the timer during chilling, during idle. Okay. Oh, I have 2 viewer counts already. I don't know if you are a bot or not, but hope you have a good time. Start chilling. Okay, yes, here we were. We are... Oh, wait, we are actually pausing the timer already. I forgot I was doing that. So, will this just work now? Set past false. Final phrase activator. I estimated border hit. Okay, this is what I want. Final phrase activate. I'm not sure why I'm pausing. Okay, never mind. This shouldn't need to happen, but sure. We want to make it paused, and this is good. Okay, so now, actually I can just remove the exported version. I do not wish to have any more chaos in here. So if this will work, then wait. Actually, hold on. If do we have it? Hmm. Estimated money earned every negative seconds. That is something I wasn't expecting. Okay. Is it because I think it's because we do not have FPS set up yet? I guess. So, oh my god. Okay, how are we checking FPS? This is my most important question. Actually, we are doing this by game manager, not by engine, which is the correct way, which is something I want to do. And yet, it is not working. Game manager max FPS. Okay. Are you set to 60 by default? You are. Okay, let me try something stupid, but I will. Okay. Let me try something stupid. Func get max FPS. And this will be very ugly, but let's just return max FPS. And maybe in the ready function, let's make sure that our max FPS is set to 60 for now. This shouldn't happen. This should not happen, but I do wish that now this will be working fine. Every time we are getting total distance, this should be the same amount every single time. And we are... okay, this is not something we want. Okay, first of all, we are printing the usable rect. We don't need to do that anymore. I mean, no, we can actually leave it. Oh, my second viewer also ran away. Unfortunate, but understandable. We do have problems, and you are earning money way too quick. At least on this time. So why is this happening? Okay, let's go into print total distance, and let's get ourselves total distance. And then we can go current speed. This also should be 60 per frame, and I mean technically our speed. Wait, no, we want speed to be. Yeah, okay, we want this to be in speed currents in the frames. So this. Hopefully, I will now see what happened. Okay, the compilation time is pretty bad, but I guess this is because of my CPU, which is dying. So, total distance is currently minus 64, which is definitely not something I want. Especially because I copied this code and it was working. So that is not ideal. That is not ideal. Also, I've noticed that if I talk way too loud, then my little avatar here doesn't open his mouth, so I need to speak with confidence, because I am a confident game developer, and I am... I totally know what I'm doing. Yeah, okay, hold on. Let me try something stupid, okay? Because... Let me try something stupid. Let's print... Wait, am I... Wait, doesn't here... Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. something like this. So, okay, this could be because the moment we are spawning our little window, holy shit, this is way too big. Okay, something went wrong. I did test that like five days ago, and this worked. Like this worked fine. This worked really fine. So I am okay. I could see why if we are adding this to 2000 and negative 2000. First of all, nothing should be negative. No, seriously, I can swear that this was working a few days ago. But okay, let's play around with the debugging game. If we are using the recti to... This looks like an array. And that would make sense because I do have a left monitor. But I'm not sure why it would be called primary and not secondary, because my main monitor is my primary monitor. But whatever. Let's check if we can even go and do like let's go into var tests and usable rect. Can we even do that? Invalid index of type int for a base of type recti2. Okay, so we cannot do this. This looks like an array, but it's just role-playing, has it? Oh wait, child estimated time. Wait, why? When exactly did you start it working again? Oh my god, this is... Okay, so this is working, but it's not working well. Okay, so we want... Do you want to wait after everything is set up? This doesn't make sense. Because I don't know where I will be set up. Set it up, whatever. Okay, hold on. Let's get into usable rect and recti2. A 2D axis aligned bounding marks using integer coordinates. And the recti bulletin variant type represents an axis aligned rectangle in 2D space using integer coordinates. The position and size. Oh, okay. Okay. So this is the okay. The P stands for position, not primary. The S stands for the size. Holy shit! So whenever we're getting the size, we are also getting. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that was loud. Probably. Sorry. That makes sense. Okay, let's reboot this. Let's give it one more time. Okay, so if my... Oh my god. This makes sense. So my usable screen space is actually quite correct. Because this is our position. Which makes sense. Wait, does it make sense? Hold on. I have my left monitor here. And if you are starting from... Okay, hold on, let's see. Is there like, maybe not an image, but something that explains this exactly? No. Let's check the Let's get rid of the timer, input event engine display server. Let's check rect2. But I guess that rect2 will also have the same thing. Okay, let's hold on. Let's actually read. Let's take a time. Oh. Okay, the rect2 got more love in documentation. Oh, maybe I'm just stupid? Yeah, I'm just stupid, never mind. The ending point, this is usually the bottom right corner of the rectangle, which makes sense, and is equivalent to position and size, which also makes sense. So we don't care about that, generally speaking. Our position, the origin point, this is usually the top left corner of the rectangle. Oh my god, okay, this makes sense now. The rectangle's width and height starting from position. Setting this value also affects the endpoint, which makes sense. Okay, so the end also would be a vector too, then. Yes, do I. I do recommend setting the width and height to non-negative value. No shit, Sherlock. To get an equivalent rectangle with non-negative size, use apps. What? Absolute returns a rectangle 2 equivalent to this rectangle with its width and height modified to be non-negative values and with its position being the top left corner of the rectangle. Varrect recti. So this is the position of the rectangle and we have negative things. Wait, what? Rect apps. Why did it change also the position? Oh, wait, it's 25, 25, and negative 75 and 75. Okay. Okay, so... Okay, okay. So it's not as bad. I was sure that this wouldn't work, because that would return my normal monitor, which didn't make sense, because I have a normal, like, 1080p monitor, but it's flipped by 90 degrees. So, if we are starting from something like this, which now makes sense, and this makes it so we are actually calculating from this side. Okay, okay, the problem is though, the problem with that is simply the fact that this is actually working, but only the moment after getting estimated head time, which is quite unfortunate because I do want that to happen at the beginning. Wait, also, okay, I can test this. If this function, if the calculating of window position doesn't work because we are doing this in a ready function before we are getting anything, let's actually upgrade our character. Hold on, this doesn't work. Why doesn't it work? Because I forgot to put this. Yes, indeed. Main, start chilling. Oh yeah, I didn't do that. That makes sense. So we want to show text, update UI, but we also want to get timers, estimated money earn. I want to start it all over again. Yes, okay, we do want to start this all over again, but actually, we do not want... Oh, okay, that's the problem. Whenever we pause, whenever we sit in place, we don't want to do anything weird. But when we upgrade, okay, that makes sense. So actually what we want to do is make sure that our timer is stopped, just like that. And then we want to set a wait time. Okay, that makes sense. Estimated money earn, wait time, and this we want to set into get estimated money earn. And we already bought an upgrade, so our speed, holy moly, I have forgotten a very, very important thing. This should actually be changed depending on the speed. Because... Wait, yes? No. Yes. Current speed upgrade will be 0, and the moment it happened... Okay, never mind. It's 1.0 plus game manager get current... No, actually I do not have this function, I just have the current upgrade, which technically is an int, but yes, this will work fine. Because the moment we upgrade our character, we have this to index 1, which makes the total speed 2, which actually makes sense, and everyone is happy. Or I could not be a moron, and I could just use the get total speed. Because we are also just, yeah, okay, never mind. I could just use get total speed. So get game manager, get total speed. And now this makes sense. But I am not finished because we want to go into start chilling. We do have the wait time, and now we want to make sure money earned paused. Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. We are doing the start function all over again, but with a new time, and that's pretty stupid. But we want to pause this the moment we set a new timer. Paused. True. And now technically this should work, I guess. I mean, this still won't work because we are calculating this using the window, but the moment we upgrade our character, we should have a new estimated time. So let's upgrade it. Estimate money earned, and this actually works because I remember very vividly that by default it was about 30 seconds to get from one side, exactly from the one side of our monitor to the other. And because we are essentially doubling the speed, this means that... Wait, no, that's correct. This means that we are working... Yes, this is working fine. Okay, so now the other problem. What do we do with the problem of... Wait a second, I'm stupid. I'm stupid already. I know why this was meant to be set at the end of the ready function. This is because we are setting up the window and everything with it in the ready function. So if we want a function to use something from window, we first probably want to wait until the window is actually working. Oh, I am a smart guy. A very smart guy. Okay, so while this is happening, I can go into Streamlabs. This will be pretty stupid. Stream elements, but I want to add a new overlay for my to-do task. I think that this will be pretty fun to do. Oh. I am not sure what happened. Let me try that again. Did it break because my focus went on the other monitor? No. What? 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 I am Speechless. Holy shit. Okay, never mind. Let's quickly add a label. Actually, not a label. We want to add just... okay, static text box. Thank you. This is something I want. To do. I can go into current to do. Make chill mode. Position, text size, and scale. This is looking pretty good, but we want this to be how my pixel font was named one more time. Actually, I don't want this to be pixel, because that would be pretty boring. Laundrina solid. Okay, so Laundrina solid. Size could be bigger, like I don't know, 30, I guess. And we have a text shadow, which looks pretty alright. So I would do something like this. Okay, and now we can go into current to do. We can save this. We can copy the overlay link. And oh, okay, no, whatever. I have no idea what is happening. Current to do text. Okay, let's copy this. Let's make it so it's actually 9020 by 1080. Okay. Oh, this is working. Okay, never mind. Current to do. I can actually. I guess I can make it pure. I think. Yeah, that's pretty good. Technically I could use like a label or like a nice cool way of something. I don't know. Okay, so now there is one more problem. Why are we gaining double the coins? 1, 2, 3. Hold on, wait, because this is pretty important. I could improve this. So first of all, we can make gained coins string amount, and then current coins and string coins. So our debugging can be better, bigger, improved. And also, now that I know what happened, this has to be at the end of ready function, because these guys depend on the window size, which is set. I don't have. I could. I guess I can depend of window size, which is set above them. If it would be set below them, things will break badly, like very, very badly. But okay. So, oh, do I also see that my stream is absolutely lagging? This looks like it. I will have to rewatch my stream after, because probably on the recording it will be fine, but it won't be good on Twitch. Yeah, I don't think I should have this much ping going on actually. Oh, whatever. Whatever. Okay, so... Okay, exactly what is happening here? Okay, we are getting double the coins for whatever reason. And that is not something I want. Yeah, this is not something I want. Final time, estimated money. Why? Looks like I have... Okay, never mind. Where is my border hit? Estimated hit time, that's fine. That's something I want. On border hit time out. We are swapping direction. We are swapping the sprite direction. And we are bouncing from bar. Do I have something stupid connected to that? Game manager. Haha, I found you. Bounce from border, connect. And here we are adding a coin. So I have my little sneaky imposter. It is pretty fun. But we do not want you. I mean, technically, this is something we want to have, but whatever. Now, I can even play around with imposter. And alright. Okay, so we almost have... let's test this. Let's test if this is working fine, and if it will, then we will be able to... Oh, actually, hold on. I mean, this is good info to have, but we can clear up the console. What am I doing? Get estimated money time. We can clear up the console. We do want this in console, just for future debugging purposes. But with amount, actual estimated time, and this won't do anything. Okay. And I think we are printing our... No, we can actually leave this, fine. We can leave it be. Okay, but now, since I know how Rectite works, I should be able to in the future, develop a way for you to officially, actually, you don't even, there's no way to do it unofficially anyway, but I will be able to make a setting for changing the monitors, because this is pretty important. And I really hope that I can make it working. Make it work, whatever. Okay, gain coins, current coins, fine. We can make it run for a moment, and then we will see if this is working fine. And after that, we can just disable the chill mode. And if everything will work fine, then we can add this to our UI. Which sounds fun. Hopefully. Okay, so we are doing that. Okay, that's funny. Yes, okay, so we also need to update our UI, because for whatever reason we aren't updating our UI. I mean, okay, we do want to update it here, but we also want to update on the timeout of money earned, which is technically why I should have connected this to Signal, actually, and I could do a signal like money earned and money spent. most likely. Yeah, actually, let's do this. Let's do this right now, because then I will have problems with doing that. So I have already an upgrade bot, and we have money earned. And we can connect everything via signals, so our code will look clean. And debugging will also be easier for future me, hopefully. Okay, my stream still says that my... Actually, how is this called? Wait a second. A bitrate, I guess. Capacity, output, whatever. But my Twitch manager says that my capacity is pretty bad, though I am not sure if I can fix it in any way. Hopefully I can. But chances are that my stream is unaudible. Oh wait, is the film buffered? Use the switch. Wait. To turn off the low latency mode. Well, it looks like I have huge latency, so this is probably something I want. Twitch low latency mode, exactly. From roughly... Okay, it's gonna be toggled via creator dashboard, settings, stream latency mode. So creator dashboard, settings, here, streaming. Okay. Okay, so I have changed the thing. Yeah, I have changed that. So now my latency should be improved, I guess. Let me wait, did it change actually? Or do I have... It did change. Good. Okay, great. That's something I want. So now, oh my god, I have someone on the chat. Oh, that's another bot. Are you a bot? Why are you giving us... Why is this a site from Russia? Oh my god. Whatever. Whatever. This is my first stream, and I am not sure how to delete messages yet, and how to like actually be a moderator of my own chat. And now that I think about it, this is a very useful skill to learn, but not today. Not today. Now I want to just make a full stream, and I will be happy. I'll be happy, and this will be good. Anyway, what I was doing, I was getting the money earned signal, so let's go into... I have forgotten what I want to do already. Wait, what? Never mind. Here we have the emit function, and in the emit function I actually want to go into signals and money earned emit. Technically I could even go with how much money was earned, but oh, actually this would be nice. Oh, actually I do not need that right now, so I can go into signals and maybe do a to-do. So to-do, how much was earned? Yeah, okay. Okay, my latency is still dying, but I guess, I hope it should be improved by now. Hopefully, most likely, most surely. Yeah. I just want to check one more thing in the settings. Okay, the fact that I have the ability. Oh, my internet is dead. That's so fun. That's so fun. I love my internet. Why wouldn't it be dead? The session was 40 minutes long. Also, okay, I guess I got reconnected and the stream got reset because the session now is 0.0.0, I guess. Oh yeah, this is still looking like it's offline, I guess. Whatever. Okay, that's fun. This is so fun that I don't want to say very bad word about hurting myself, but I am pretty close to that. Yeah, I can see that I technically have 3 different streams at the same time. Which looks fun. Looks very fun. That's unfortunate. I mean, I knew that I had to have a good internet to stream. But I was really hoping that it would be just fine, to be honest. And now it doesn't really look like I'm streaming at all. Because I have 0 viewers, which is pretty fun. Oh, my internet is dead for good. Let's go. Well, shit. I can make a screenshot out of this. And yeah. I need to actually manually save the screenshot if I want to save it anywhere. So let's make save. And let's make it save somewhere here, I guess. Okay, so unfortunately, I failed at streaming, I guess. I need to fix the internet, which is something I totally am able to fix. That's unfortunate. Well, anyway, I guess this is the end of the stream. I doubt anyone can even see this because my internet is dead for good. Though, if you're watching this, you're probably watching this on YouTube. I will probably send this to YouTube. And hopefully I will be able to fix whatever is wrong in the future. Yeah. I guess I can say thank you to those 2 bots who tried to scam me for something. It was pretty fun. But yeah, maybe there will be another stream, maybe not. It's actually I have no idea. Yeah. Goodbye.